Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I have another simple glam look for you, so if you're interested, just stay tuned. I like to start by brushing out my eyebrows. Next, I create my brow shape using the Anastasia DipBrow Pomade. I fill in my brows using the Anastasia Brow Powder Duo. Next, I use concealer to clean the edges of my brow. So now I'm just going to set my brows using the Sigma Brow Wax and then brush them out. To prime my eyes, I'll be using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I follow up by using Cover FX Concealer over my lid. The first eyeshadow I'll be using is from MAC Cosmetics in the shade Texture. I make sure to sweep that color all over my lid. Next, I'm going to be using the color Wedge right on top of my eyelid. I'll be using the color Brun in my crease. I'm going to apply a little bit more of the color Wedge. Finally, I'll be using the shade Ricepaper on the top of my brow bone. For my eyeliner, I'll be applying MAC's Blacktrack Pro Fluid Line. And now I'm just going to go over that with the Eyelure eyeliner so that I can apply my magnetic lashes. For my lipstick, I'll be using Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick, and I'll be using the color Rubino. I'm going to clean along the edges of my lip line with concealer to make sure that the liquid lipstick stays neat. I'm applying my Cover FX concealer to brighten my under eye. I'm also applying concealer down the bridge of my nose. You're probably wondering why I'm only doing half of my face. Honestly, I don't know. I guess if the makeup comes out looking like you only have half a face to take off, right? I'm going to apply my light contour starting underneath my cheekbone, my jawline, and along my temples. I'll also be applying the contour down the sides of my nose. And I'm going to blend everything out. Finally, I'll be using my Becca Cosmetics Opal highlighter to finish. Now I'm just going to complete the other side of my face. And this is my final look. Neutral eyeshadow with a bold lip and light contouring. I want to thank you all so much for watching today. Now get out of here!